Have you been finding it very difficult to insert your contact lens by yourself? So worry not, today I'm your big six star. I'll be teaching you the easiest way to insert your contact lens. Okay? So don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, and share. Let's go. So I'll be using this fresh look color blends. These are very, very affordable, very, very affordable. I think it's 3,570 or so in Nigeria currency. I don't know for the currencies. So let's go. Let me open it. So when you unbox it, this is how it comes. This is shade brown. Okay, that's why it has this color. This is how it comes. Okay. So make sure your hand is very clean. Then use your index finger to pick the contact lens and place it on the white eyes. Okay. Then roll back your eyes so that it can fit into the contact lens. Okay. Just note that if you're a teary person, like you are going to cry. When I mean you're going to cry, you tear up a lot. Then the same procedure, you apply it on the second one. That is what I just did. And this is something that you keep practicing till you become perfect in it. To fix yourself contact lens is not that easy. So practice make perfection. I hope you find this video very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also check out my other videos. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.